So let me tell you about the latest dental scam. Maybe it's not anything new, but it's something that they just tried on me. I was going to have my teeth cleaned today, and I was going to Aspen Dental for the first time, so they have to take x-rays and do an exam before they can clean your teeth. But I wouldn't have done that, but since it's a new office, they did that for free. Your exam and x-rays were free until they get enough patients where they don't have to do that for free anymore. So, they do the x-rays, and they ask me a bunch of questions, sit me in the chair, and they go poking around my gums, and in my mind I'm thinking, they sure are doing an awful lot for free, and I know that nothing in this world is free. So it comes time, the doctor comes in, and he takes the mirror and he looks around my teeth, and he suggests a crown for a tooth that's been broken for 20 years. And I'm not ever going to do a crown on that tooth. I'd rather have it pulled because it's not an important tooth. And he starts talking to me about, I have some teeth that are missing over the years, had them pulled. And he starts talking about partials and financing. And I said, look, I do not have dental insurance, so I'm paying for everything, out of my pocket here. And I cannot afford a crown, and I don't care about gaps in my teeth. He said, well, don't you want a nice smile when you smile at people? And he was taken aback when I said, no, I don't care what people think about my smile when I smile. I have missing teeth because I've lived 58 years, and I'm not going to go spend money on filling in a gap because I worry that people might think I don't have a nice smile. So anyway, I said, look, I came here to get my teeth cleaned. That's all I want. Hold on, I got to merge. Let me double check. All right. I came here to get my teeth cleaned. That's all I want. That's all I can afford right now. So he says, okay, well, we're going to put all this information in a computer, and we're going to have you talk to our consult, which I come to find out is a lady who is in charge of financing. I came there for a teeth cleaning. They told me on the phone that teeth cleaning was right at $90, and everybody else in town was about $150. So that's why I decided to go with a new dentist. So anyway, I get in the consult's office, and she goes over all the stuff that's suddenly wrong with my teeth. And I said, look, ma'am, I don't want to be rude, but I came here for a cleaning. I'm not going to finance any work. I'm going to pay for this out of my pocket. I don't have insurance, not insurance for dental. And I don't care about partials. I'm not going to get a crown. All I want is my teeth cleaned. And she says, okay, well, they've diagnosed you with periodontal disease, and because of that, a teeth cleaning is $1,400. And I said, you know what? This is why people suffer with teeth that aren't perfect. Because of this. This is a scam, and it's dishonest. Have a nice day. And I walked out. And when I went in there, I kind of got the feeling that this wasn't just a regular standard procedure dental office, that this was going to be bait and switch, try to convince you to get a crown. I'm almost 60 years old. I'm fat and I'm bald. I don't give a crap about missing teeth and what people think about me missing a tooth. So and they found that hard to believe. Here we go. Anyway, there's my Aspen Dental story. It's a scam, and even if you go in there with perfect teeth and just want your teeth cleaned, they're going to try and talk you into all kinds of stuff Yeah, they diagnosed me with periodontal disease, which suddenly jumps the price up from $100 to $1,400. Have a nice day. So I came home and I Googled Aspen Dental, which I should have done first. And they have just complaint after lawsuit after threats from governments. Just why didn't I Google them? Aspen Dental scam disguised as a dental office. Better Business Bureau. Class action lawsuit. How not to get ripped off. Often they're corporate chains like Aspen Dental. Let me tell you, I called our local dentist here in my little town, which I didn't know there was one. I mean, this town is 2,200 people. I didn't think there'd be a dentist here, so I didn't even look. But when I told him my story, she laughed and she said, "You are not the first person to tell me that." I said, "So what do you charge for teeth cleaning?" She said, $217, and that's everything. Everything. Out the door, $217. I said, "When can you get me in?" "Tomorrow at 2:30. So tomorrow at 2:30, I will have shiny, clean teeth. See you then.